The Sun is a star at the center of our solar system and is the primary source of energy for Earth. It is a massive ball of hot glowing gases, mostly made up of hydrogen with trace amount of other elements. So what will happen to us Earth inhabitants if this Sun disappeared all at once? What will happen to life on Earth? It is possible to sustain our life. Today we will talk about it in this video. In fact, if the Sun suddenly disappears, the living beings who spend the day on Earth are the first to start worrying about this, because when they are engaged in their daily activities as usual, the darkening of the environment without the Sun will cause the organisms to become agitated and focus on energy and food for future survival. If the Sun suddenly disappears, we can divide the events into two parts. There are immediate effects and long-term effects. If the Sun were to suddenly disappear, the effects on our Earth and the solar system would be catastrophic, both immediately and the long-term. Immediate effects quickly in 8 to 10 minutes. The Sun's light and gravitational pull take around 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach our Earth. The Sun suddenly vanished. We would continue to see sunlight and feel its gravitational influence for those 8 minutes before everything changed. After 8 minutes, the entire world would go completely dark, including our moon. Then gradually, the temperature of our mother planet began to drop. Without Sun's warmth, Earth's temperature would drop rapidly. Also, if this condition persists for a week, the surface temperature can drop to -18 Celsius to -25 Celsius within a week. In a year, it could reach -73 Celsius. The oceans would be freezing from the drop down, but the deep waters couldn't stay liquid for thousands of years due to geothermal heats. Of the next, gravitational chaos. The Sun's gravitational keep planet in orbit. If it disappeared, instead Earth and other planets would fly off in straight line into the space. Without the Sun's pull, planets would drift into interstellar space, possibly colliding with asteroids or other celestial bodies. Next, we will talk about the breakdown of photosynthesis. Most of planets make soil. Also, our Earth makes soils. As well as most of plants need sunlight for photosynthesis within days. Most plants would stop producing oxygen. Without plants, behaviors would thrive, followed by carnivores. The entire food chain would collapse. Also, some lives near the Earth's internal heat, which depends on the Earth's internal heat, continue to be underground or in the ocean. Bacteria, some deep sea creatures, and humans in underground bunkers with artificial light can survive for a while. So finally, sadly, it becomes clear in that The long-term effects. Fate of the Earth without heat become a frozen, barren land where the Earth is wandering through space. Also, if there is any lucky on our mother planet, it can be dragged into the gravity of another star, or it can remain a secluded planet forever. In the short, as we know, life will end and the Earth will become a frozen drift rock.